Beauty water.
Let's do our cleanse together. Hello everyone, good morning, it's Lula here. Now I'm lucky enough to have a Kangen water machine. You know that I can organise one for you if you are interested. But let's get our cleansing together. So we're going to open up our channels to start with. We're going to unclog those drains. So everything you're doing, I want you to always be opening up these channels, activating your thymus, circles on your underarms. Honestly, so simple, but it is the gateway to clearer, smoother, and more functioning, readily functioning skin, better cell turnover, better breath work. Start the day as you mean to continue. I want you to grab your beautiful, luxurious cleanser. A little bit on your hands. Now you can add some drops of water if you want to emulsify it more. That's up to you. Sometimes I use it neat, sometimes emulsify it. It depends. If I'm doing a quick shower cleanse, then I tend to sort of emulsify it more. Apply upwards, draining up. We've opened up those channels, so let's get the lymph flowing, the blood flowing, working up and out, giving our skin a bit of a lift at the same time. Great opportunity when you're doing your cleansing to just always get into that motion of lifting the skin, helping to tone the skin, helping to detoxify. Beautiful. Now I'm using cotton pads here as a demonstration, but you know, you can use a face washers, which I love to use as well. If I'm dealing with, like if I had breakouts, a lot of breakouts, I wouldn't be using face washers. I'd be using cotton pads. If your skin's in pretty good condition and you're really good with washing your hand towel, face washers, then go ahead and use a face washer. I sort of mix them up. Remember to always shake your products, because what makes Clarity and Light so unique that it has no chemicals in at all. It's such a clean, organic product. So you want to give your products a good spritz, a change. Now, I just sprayed my face just to show you. So you can spray it straight on. You can then compress it. Or if you want a bit of a deeper clean, you can spray on your cotton pads and remove the residue of the cleanser that way. Always remember to remove that residue with your spritz. Always working up and out. If you're using cotton pads, beautiful. Give my skin a bit of a pat dry, and then we're going to be moving on to treating our eyes. Again, remember the eyes represent the lung meridian, so it really does make a difference to work those channels. Just a little bit of eye cream. It feels lovely. Do your inhalations at this point. Really make a point, really fantastic if you suffer with sinuses, to massage around the eye contour, giving the eyes a bit of a lift, giving that bone a bit of a lift as well. Always use those ring fingers because you can ensure that you're using light pressure as well. Oh, that feels so good. Even just watching myself right now whilst doing this voiceover, I feel like I'm breathing better. Beautiful. Again, compressing, so you're drawing the products in. So we don't want these products to ever feel heavy on our skin. Those compression movements make a difference. Pick up your Luminous Day Cream. You don't need too much. And again, I'm going to lightly spread that on the face and again compress into the skin. Remembering to do an inhalation. Smelling the roses as we go. Speaking of roses, do you know that roses oscillate, vibrate at 350 megahertz? They oscillate at a higher vibration than our body's energy. Now, we're learning a lot of people talk about somatics and energy these days. I've suddenly become very fashionable. So you're ahead of the game. If you've already been following Clarity and Light for a while, you have been remembering to connect with self. Love and light, everyone. Have a great day.